Hey guys, Sam here, and I'm going to show you some of the projects that we're going to be working on to show you guys in the winter for when all the cars are gone. So we went to the flea market this weekend, and we bought these two sewing machine legs, and uh, this one is a white sewing machine, and then this is a Singer sewing machine. And uh, with these ones, we're going to make a entertainment center out of them. And with this one, not 100% sure what we're doing with yet. And then over here, we got this go-kart that we're going to build to sell. And then here, we got a flamingo. It's going to be a light and slash shelf. This was actually uh, like a pulley shield, and this is actually the pulley for it, a guard. And like if I turn it, you'll see it's open in here. So we still got a lot to do with this, and a whole lot to do with that. But just wanted to give you guys an idea on what we're going to start with, and just give you some stuff to watch over the weekend or not the weekend, the winter, for while it's harder for me to film since I do cars and go-karts. So the first project we're thinking of is using the sides of this sewing machine and some angle iron and some reclaimed wood to make a entertainment center for our living room. So I want to bring you guys along. So guys, we got the first piece of angle iron cut for our first shelf, and we grounded down the edge so no one would hit their leg or anything. And we also cleaned up the metal to weld, but it is starting to rain, so we kind of got to clean up so we don't ruin anything. So okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then we could weld this on and continue with the build. So guys, it's another day and we're working on our entertainment center. I got most of the framing done, and the plan is to do wood up top, wood on the bottom, wood on the back, and then like a piece of glass, hopefully a piece of glass in the center. And we were trying to figure out like what else we could do because we didn't want it too plain looking. So what we're gonna do is there's well, it was an old fireplace. It was pretty rough. We cut, well, as you can see, we cut a couple of pieces off, but we liked this arch here, and like there's these little divots here that we liked. So I already got a little ahead of myself and cut them. So we have it like that. So these would sit like so, and you're probably thinking, well, there's going to be a giant gap. Well, a step ahead of you. My aunt bought this a while ago and then gave it to us, and we're going to make a drawer out of it. So it'll sit like so. So it would be an arch, the drawer, then another archway. So that's what we got so far. And another thing we're going to try to add into it is we got this the I don't know if it was like the backing. It was the backing of this sewing machine, but we like the Singer part, so we're gonna try to we're gonna probably cut here or so and try to figure out how to put this into that piece too, or into the entertainment center. So the framing is complete. Um, all we got to do now is clean up some welds, clean the metal, and get it prepared for paint. We're actually going with this. It says it's a matte hammered black, but it's looking gray to us right here. So, but it works with we dig the color. So we also added a conduit here to give it a round look, and these like cabinet handles we put on the end of the conduits on both sides to make it more complete and not like we're just throwing stuff together. And then we added a bar across here and up, and then same here on that side. Um, so all we got to do is get it ready for paint it, get the wood we're looking, wood for the top, the bottom, and the back, and then a piece of glass for the middle. And we did test the drawer does fit. We're just going to need to figure out a way to put a handle on the front to be able to pull it open. So right now I'm just going to grind down some welds and clean it up for paint. So we're back at the entertainment center. We ended up painting it a hammered black, but it kind of gives it a charcoal gray. And then we used a tongue and groove cedar for the back, and we have to put some polyurethane on it. So I'll get that. But so far, it's coming out nice and smooth. Like the process is smooth. So I'm going to put some polyurethane on it, and then I'll get back to you guys. So we just finished polyuring the front of the back, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, the entertainment center is complete, so let me show it to you. So I'm going to start here on the side, and as you know, this is the side of the Singer sewing machine, and we got the cedar wood on the bottom and the back and the top, and then we got this glass shelf here that we got it from a local glass store. We got it for $50, which online it was like $200. So if you're doing something like this, I recommend trying to find a local shop that would help. Then if we slide on over, you got the Singer part that was on the back of it. It's now our centerpiece type thing. And my dad has some decorations to kind of decorate it. And then here was our arches, our doorknob, our knobs, our arches, the drawer, the other arch, more decorations, and then back to this side. Then you go to the top. Again, it's cedar, and we shellacked all of the wood, all like the bottom, the back, and the top. But so guys, there it is. And for all you car guys and go-kart guys out there, don't unsubscribe because of this video. I will be getting back to cars and go-karts pretty soon. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We're planning on making some end tables to match this, so if you guys would like to see a video of that, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed your cruise down to Lashman Road.